I've been asked countless times, what do you use on your hair? Is this your hair? How is your hair so long, healthy, thick, and luscious? Someone even told me today that I am selfish. In her words, she asked me, why are you so selfish? Why did you carry everybody's hair on your hair? Is this your hair? Don't tell me that you took all the hair that you're supposed to share to every other person. It was funny, but at the long run, she was like, but please, sincerely, what do you use on your hair? And that brings me to this question. Are you tired of slow hair growth? Are you tired of stuttered hair? Your hair remaining at the same level? My sister, I have been there. I was there. And this is me testifying that you can actually triple the growth of your hair with just ingredient that you can find in your kitchen. What if I told you that these three powerful ingredients can triple your hair growth in just 2 weeks? Yes, you heard me right, just 2 weeks. And all I need you to do for me right now is to keep watching this video to see how to make this powerful hair growth treatment at home. I mean in your kitchen, right from the ingredient that you have in your kitchen. I kid you not. These are ingredients that I have tried and I'm still trying and I'm still using because I have not gotten to that my desired length that I want. I'm not only after length, I'm after thick, healthy, and long hair. Please do not skip any part of this video as every information that I have here is going to be beneficial to you. Just be patient with me. This video is not long. Watch this video from beginning to the end so that you get every information that I have to pass out here. Cloves are rich antioxidants and helps to reduce hair fall and thereby promoting thick strand. I do not joke with cloves, and anybody that knows about hair growth and hair thickening, you know that cloves is very, very powerful. Next is Negro pepper. In my dialect, we call it Oda. Oda has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties that suits the scalp and stimulate growth. And now to the ogapatapata of them all, rosemary. Rosemary boosts circulation to the scalp. It unclogs the hair follicles and fights dandruff. For those that have been asking me of how to fight dandruff, please, rosemary should be your friend. For me, I like to crush my ingredients to work with the blended aspect of it, but you can use it that way if you so wish. So first and foremost, I crush the Oda, that is Negro pepper. Then my cloves, I already grounded it. My rosemary, same thing, I also grounded it. So this ingredient, I took 1 spoon of a clove and 1 spoon of rosemary. That's 1 teaspoon, yes. Then about 4 Negro peppers. Then I put it in a boiling water, just 1 cup of boiling water, or depend on the size that you want to do. You use it in 1 cup of boiling water, allow it to boil for like 10 minutes or 5 minutes. 5 to 10 minutes. As you can see, it has already properly boiled. I'm just trying to like get the ingredients back into the water because I need all of that goodness. Then allow it to cool down perfectly. As you can see, it's already cooled down here and it has already settled. Then the next thing, I strained it with my sieve to get out the pulps on it because I wouldn't want those things to enter into the water and be on my hair. This infusion is packed with nutrients and it is also lightweight. For those that will be concerned about whether it is lightweighted, it is lightweighted. It can be used as a daily hair spray or as a scalp treatment, whichever one that you want. Then the next thing you need to do now is to just transfer it into your spray bottle and it is ready to use. Stay with me. I'm going to tell you, or rather show you, how I use this ingredient on my hair for best results. And also at this point, if you have any oil of your choice that you want to put into the spray, you can put it in the spray, be it coconut oil, castor oil, or even olive oil. But stay with me. I'm going to show you step by step on how I use it on my own hair for best results. This powerful spray can stay up to like 1 week or 7 days in your fridge. If you put in the fridge, it will not spoil. As you can see, mine is just brought out from the fridge, very cold, from the video that I'm showing you. And this is my protective hairstyle that I'm having on. It is dry, so I need to like to moisturize it and treat it while it is still on protective hairstyle. That's why I'm showing you guys the before, and you're going to see the after. You see how dry my hair is. So I'm going to use this infusion to like spray on my hair for that goodness. So first and foremost, I spray directly on the scalp. Spray it directly on your scalp, on your strand, just every part of your hair, taking the goodness, then massage it gently. You massage it gently from 2 to 5 minutes. Make sure that you don't forget your edges. You don't forget the back of your hair. You don't every part of your hair. Spray that goodness and massage it. Spray can be used daily or every other day, depending on your preference or your time, for 2 weeks. You can also use this as a leave-in, or before you oil your scalp, whichever one will work. You don't need to wash it out. You can see how I'm gently massaging my hair, even my edges, everywhere. I'm massaging this into my strand and letting the goodness to go into the scalp. So you don't need to wash it out. Leave it on your hair. It doesn't have any foul smell. It is okay. Then the next thing I do, I go in with my daily leave-in strengthener. That is the Mega Growth. I swear by that Mega Growth. I love that Mega Growth, and I do not take down my hair without that leave-in strengthener. So I use it. Then at the end of the day, I also used my oil to seal it in, my hair growth oil to seal it in. Be expecting that video. That video is going to come up on the channel very soon, and I'll be glad to share that video. So that is my hair growth oil. Then that is basically all I do. So what I'm trying to say in all these things is that, my people, consistency is key. With consistency, you will begin to notice stronger, thick strand, and you will see that your shedding is going to reduce. And for those who are battling for dandruff, this treats dandruff also in just 2 weeks. Remember, everybody's hair is different, but these natural helps can be trusted across generation. Be patient with your hair and be kind to your hair. That is all I'll have to say here. If you can take this thing that I just said to you now into consideration, there's no how you're going to see tremendous results. Do not compare your hair with anybody's hair, because the rate at which your own hair is growing is not the same thing with other. Love every stage you see. Let me know if you have tried these herbs before, and let me also know in the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to that someone that is trying to grow their hair. See you on my next video. Remember, your hair deserves all the love it can get. Bye.